Alright, my name is Steve Street and this is the IR Remote Servo code, and I'm just going to walk you through how it works here. So, looking through the code, since I always like to start there, we made each of these case statements based on to whatever this remote fed that IR receiver. So like, for example, the power button, that's case 69. And it will tell the servo to go to 90 degrees, and it's already in that state right now. But if I hit fast forward, which is 180, case 67, it'll rotate it, and I'll take it back to 90. It's 180, 90. That will make it turn, spin it all the way around. All right, and then these other case statements are to individually do increment turns. So I have case 9, 7, 70, and 21, and those are all the increment values. And then these if statements down here are to make sure that the servo position doesn't go past 180, 0, and the increment doesn't go below 0, because that wouldn't make sense. This is just to keep it so it's responsive and it doesn't go past that threshold. So we go to the serial monitor. So we're gonna hit 0, and it's reading it, and then here we go, we're gonna turn it. I don't think this is the one for this one. There we go, reset. All right, we're gonna do fast forward, rewind, back to 90, and then we're gonna hit the volume up. So we go increment, we're boosting that increment, and then we're gonna go hit this arrow. It'll go up and it'll go down by that increment. And if we hit volume down, oh wait, we'll get it back down to 10. And it'll go up slow, it'll go down slow. We'll reset it back to 90. Spin it all the way around. Get it back to 90. And I think that is all I need to just show here. I went through the code and everything. It's basically, we just used the switch and case statement to make this a little bit easier instead of doing 4, 5, 10 if statements here for this part. And yep, and the serial prints are just for this serial monitor, just so you can visually see what it's doing. So I'm just gonna mess around with it. On sets at 90, turn it, that was, and then we'll go boom, 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 boom. And we'll juice this up so we can see. We'll turn it down. We'll turn it to where we can barely even see a movement. Yeah, it's barely moving. Go back, rotate it, get the volume back up to 10, set it back to 90. And yeah, that's all I have to show for today.